Greetings everyone, and welcome in my Python course. Today we are going to talk about case sensitivity and comments in Python. Starting by case sensitivity, which refers to the distinction between uppercase and lowercase letters in identifiers such as variable names, function names, and keywords. Python treats uppercase and lowercase letters as different characters. So Sarah with S capital is different than Sarah with S small. Let's use our example to illustrate case sensitivity. In this code, the name is assigned to the value Sarah with S capital. When we print the value of name, we get the output Sarah. Now let's say we try to access the value of name but with N capital, which is not the same as N small. Print, and then we write name but with N capital. We got an error because Python is case sensitive and it treats name with N small and name with N capital in a different way. The variable name with N capital has not been identified, so attempting to use it will raise an error. In summary, case sensitivity means that Python distinguishes between uppercase and lowercase letters in identifiers. So Sarah with S capital and Sarah with S small are considered different. Now let's talk about comments in Python. Comments are like notes you leave for yourself or others in your Python code. They don't affect how the program runs. Instead, they help people understand the code better. There are two types of comments: single-line comments and multi-line comments. For the single-line comments, these are short comments that fit on one line, and they always start with single hashtag. To make a comment in Python, we type shift and hashtag. Now anything we will write inside the cell, Python will treat it as a comment, not as a code. For example, when we type print name with N small, we get Sarah. But what if we try to type hashtag, same as we did now, and then we try to print name, print name? We get nothing. There is also another way, easier and faster, to convert a code into a comment in single step. For example, here we have print name, so instead of going to the beginning of the line and then press shift hashtag, we can only type control and slash, and we will convert the code into a comment, but faster and easier. The second type of comments is multi-line comments. These are comments that can span multiple lines. They start and end with 3 single quotes or 3 double quotes. For example, now what's inside the cell is a comment, but multi-line comment. Let's try to execute that code. We got \n and then what we wrote inside, which is this is a multi-line comment, and then again \n, and then it can be several lines long, and then \n. In Python, \n it refers to a new line. We can also implement it with double quotes. 1, 2, 3, and then this is a multi-line comment. Can be several lines long. We got the same result. Someone may ask, but why we use comments? Comments help us explain what our code does. Comments are like notes about each step. it helps others. In addition, if someone else reads our code, comments can make it easier for them to understand. Also, we might forget what we did after some time, so comments remind us of our past thinking. And finally, when we are trying to find and fix mistakes, comments can guide us. So try always to make your comments clear and simple. And finally, don't comment on everything. Only comment on things that are confusing or important. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If yes, then please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, share the video, and leave your comment under the comment section. Until next time, happy analyzing.